Welcome to Roger Adventures. On this video, I'm going to show you how I painted this breast cancer awareness rock with the letter HOP on the top. On this particular rock, I didn't prime the rock as I usually do before. I just decided to start painting it like that because of breast cancer awareness. They use a pink ribbon. I just started to use some pink paint. I did the pink paint with a little bit of red and white. I wanted to do not that really bright pink, so I didn't add too much white paint to the red paint, but you can do it as whatever you want. I did the same thing with the blue. I just added some white paint to the blue, and whatever tone you like. This is anything. You don't have to make it blue or sky blue. You can make it white, yellow, whatever color you prefer to do. My goal is to inspire you to start painting rocks, and just in case you do paint rocks, you can share your pictures on my Facebook group. It's called Roger Adventures, and on my Instagram page as well if you want to check it out. So going back to the rock, I did several coats of the paint because I didn't prime the rock, but in between the coats you have to let it dry. And I'm sorry if I sound a little bit weird, but I going through a cold. It's not the flu, it's just a cold, just in case my voice sounds a little bit different than usual. I'm gonna leave the descriptions of all the tools and paints that I use on the description below on this video in case you want to know which ones I use. And I really appreciate all your support, all those who have subscribed to my channel and those who give me a like or a thumbs up. So I really appreciate it. If you do give me a thumbs up, if you like the content of this channel, consider subscribing and activate the bell so you can receive announcements on the next videos. So on the rock, I use the dotting tools. I don't know the numbers or the graduations that they use. I just go by the size that I want to do. So I did some curls with the dots. I did them white. Also, if you paint rocks and you have a YouTube channel, or even if you don't, but you just want to shoot a video and show how you painted your rock, get in contact with me on Facebook, send me a private message, and I can show it on my channel, and you can be featured on my YouTube channel. Just in case you want to show your art as well, or maybe you just want to show your pictures, and if you share your pictures on my Facebook page, I can show them here on this channel. Again, just in case that you want to share your art or your passion. Doesn't have to be perfect. As you can tell, I am not a professional painter. I just do this for fun, and I want to share this with you so you can have fun as well. On the rock and the center, I decided to paint a sun and then some purple flowers and some branches on the side, and put some leaves on the branches. I just use regular green paint. I always try to use regular colors, which is the more common ones, so you guys don't need to buy expensive set of paints, just the basic colors. The idea is to make it as simple as possible so you can join me on these tutorials. On the center, I decided to do the ribbon for the breast cancer awareness. Another reason why I did this breast cancer awareness rock is because my wife, a few years back, she was diagnosed with breast cancer, but she got the treatment, and thank God she's doing okay now. And just I want to remind every woman and every man, even men, get breast cancer too. There are a few, but they still do. But the point is that I want to encourage you to always do the breast self-exam, and Always do the mammogram when it's time to do, for those who are age appropriate. And also, if you have any concerns or questions, always ask your primary physician and discuss any history, family history with breast cancer or any other type of cancers. So always keep in mind that the prevention starts with you. You are the only one who can actually detect any abnormalities in you. So do your mammograms or your yearly checkups, all right? I am actually a nurse, so I always encourage my patients to do the regular checkups. So again, this rock is very significant to me as well. Besides that, I have someone that asked me to do a rock that it was pink and also that, you know, represented something for breast cancer awareness. So this rock is for this person that requested this rock. I highlighted the sun with these Posca pens. They are very useful. Again, I'm going to leave the descriptions below if you are interested on which ones I use. So on the side, you know, these paintings are not realistic. So is, you know, as I go, I decided what color to put, what color to change. But again, you know, the thing is to have fun. What I do with these rocks, I take them to hikes and I leave them for, you know, people to find them, and I'm hoping that they can get inspired or just make their day happy. Let me know what you think about this painting, and also if you are interested on seeing anything else besides painting rocks. Let me know if you want to see painting maybe on canvas, because I do love to paint on canvas too, but so far I'm doing rocks on this channel. Or if you have any idea or suggestion on what to paint, let me know on the comment section below. I would love to hear what you think about my rocks or my paintings. And at the end, I just coat it with the resin that I always use. It looks so shiny and the colors pop up when you put the coat of the resin. Well, again, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you on my next video. Have a blessed day.